Hey guys, Nate from Winter Equipment, and I'm here today to talk to you about an exciting new product that Winter Equipment is offering to the commercial truck market, your smaller pickup style truck plows like Fisher, Western, Boss, Snow Dog, SnowX, etc. If you're not familiar with Winter Equipment, for over 30 years, Winter Equipment has been supplying quality snowplow wear parts to the municipal snow plowing industry, your state DOTs, your counties, your cities, and we're bringing that technology today to all of you. One of the products that we're offering currently is called the Razor Arrow. The Razor Arrow is a carbide insert blade with an integrated abrasion resistant cover plate. What does all that gobbledygook mean to you? That means you're going to bolt this on your truck, and chances are you're going to sell the truck, sell the plow with this edge still on. So if changing cutting edges is not in your wheelhouse and not something you may want to do, this is the answer for you. Again, two-piece blade. This is an 8-foot setup, so you get two 4-foot blades, abrasion-resistant cover, interlocking tabs, and one of the big features is we've taken our Plow Guard, which is the traditional blade saver that we would sell to the government industry, and we've brought it down to what we call the PlowGuard Jr. So if you're familiar with how your snowplow blade wears, it probably wears in a smiley face, and sometimes you got to go ahead and replace that edge when you've still got life in the middle, but the ends have worn out. This stops that. The other thing the Plow Guard's going to do for you, it's got this casted Twinkie out here that's going to ask, has a curb bumper or a curb feeler. So as you're plowing in tight areas and you're rubbing your plow up against something, maybe you start wearing the shield or you start wearing the moldboard and you damage your plow, there's going to be a more expensive repair. The PlowGuard Jr. is going to greatly reduce the likelihood of that happening. To learn more about Winter Equipment's Razor Arrow system and the rest of the products that Winter Equipment offers, check us out at winterequipment.com or give us a phone call today at 800-2WINTER.